In this video, I will show you how to successfully deploy Microsoft Edge WebView2 with our desktop applications. On my screen, I have a WPF app and a setup project that I created using the Visual Studio Installer Projects template. The result of this setup project is this setup.exe and setup.msi files. Installing the app using either of them creates a shortcut on my desktop to the WPF app, allowing me to easily launch it. The WPF app has the WebView2 NuGet package added, and in its main window UI, it has a WebView2 control with a URL set to its source property. While we test the app in a debug mode, everything works. The WebView navigates to the URL that we set to its source property. But after we install the app using the setup.exe or setup.msi file on the end user's computer, it doesn't work. It doesn't navigate to whatever URL we set in the source property. At first, I thought this was because my computer didn't have the Edge WebView2 runtime installed. But according to the official documentation, Windows 11 and most recent versions of Windows 10 already come with this runtime pre-installed. Then I thought the issue might be due to a target platform configuration mismatch. But I was wrong there too. After doing further research, I found the solution. The problem was that WebView2 in our app needs access to a writable location in order to store user data. Any app installed using a setup file created from the installer projects template is restricted from accessing the typical user data locations. So if we provide an environment where WebView2 can access and write its data, then it will work. This setup must be done before we navigate to a URL. In the main Windows loaded event handler, I added code that creates a user data folder for WebView2 inside the default Windows application folder. Then I create an environment using that application folder. After that, I pass this environment object into this function call. Finally, I set the source property to a URL. Let's rebuild the setup file with these new changes. And you will see that this time it navigates to the URL we set in the code behind.